breakfast in a jar. So this one I like in the warmer months because it's a colder cereal. Again, you can rewarm it. I don't use yogurt in mine so that if I do want to warm it up the next day, I can reheat the oatmeal. So we're gonna make overnight oats. What you're gonna be using is some oatmeal. Again, you can change all these recipes to cater to what you like. It's about a 1/4 cup, but my 1/4 cup is now dirty, so I'm just using.
Oh.
Use your heart to measure.
Yeah.
You know,
yeah.
I don't.
This is also not science. It's more art. It's how you want it to look the next morning. Do you want it to look oaty? Do you want it to look?
a lot of oats? Do you
Yeah.
want a lot of chia seeds?
Yeah.
So the next thing I'm using is chia seeds. Great fiber in here. They're gonna emulsify in there.
Great source of omega-3s.
And the
I love my
omega-3s for
omega-3s.
heart
We got a
health.
lot of omega-3s tonight between the sardines, the salmon, and the chia.
I'm gonna use some peanut butter. You don't have to use peanut butter. You can use any nut or seed butter. You can also just omit it. I like it for a little bit of protein, but you can also just top some nuts or seeds on at the end, or you can have your oatmeal with an egg, or leftovers, beans, or fish, or anything the next day.
Greek yogurt.
Greek yogurt on the side.
That smells amazing. Cinnamon is aromatherapy. Like what these spices are doing are just kind of clearing my head.
They smell so good, right?
Yeah,
they make a big
smell
difference.
so good. Yeah.
So this is not as pretty right now because I've made it in here. If you wanted to make a big batch, you can make it into a bowl and then scoop, before you top the fruit on, you could scoop it into the jars the night before. This will again last in your fridge for about 3 to 4 days.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then I do like to add some more milk. It does get quite dense. The chia seeds and the oats are gonna soak up all that milk. So you do wanna add some milk again on the top and stir it around before you eat it. It's gonna be a nicer texture.
Wonderful.